What's going on, guys? Today I'm actually going to be vlogging on a selfie stick because I kind of wanted to try something out different, you know? Before, let me switch to different hand. Anyways, yeah, I'm vlogging on a selfie stick today because I thought, why not? It's something differently and you guys get to see the full picture. So, yeah. Now, what I'm going to say we do is we are going to go see what my dad is up to. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Would you like to be in my vlog?
Huh?
Would you like to be in my vlog?
Not today or right now, but thank you.
Okay. I got different left my vlogs.
I'm just standing here in my warning unit.
Alright, so apparently he doesn't want to be in my vlog, which is cool. I respect that, you know. So we are just walking around, you know. We're just gonna check this out. Oh, let's actually go out back just because I feel like it, you know. And yeah, vlogging on a selfie stick actually works. Dad, vlogging on a selfie stick actually works. It's actually pretty cool.
That's one way of vlogging right now.
Open the door.
Yeah, sorry, it's going 5 minutes.
It's cool. Anywho, this is my backyard. It's actually a really big backyard when you think of it, you know. Like, it's a really big backyard, you know. But yeah, it is pretty cool though. But yeah, it's pretty cool. How's your guys' day today? I'm having a pretty good day, you know. I just finished my reading for my book report. Like, I'm not done with like the book, but yeah. It's been a while since I've done like regular filming, you know. I think I'll just start doing this instead of actual being on camera, because that way the vlogs are more raw and stuff, you know. Just having a random vlog. Not really doing anything today, except we are gonna be except I'm going to my grandparents later today to decorate the tree. So yeah, that should be fun. But in the meantime, let's just go back inside because it's freezing out here. We're just gonna walk through the house. Into the house we go. Oh. Bye, Pupper. Here he comes. Hello, Pupper. Hi. Little Pupper is back. And so am I. So yeah, I guess I'll kind of just give you guys like a little house tour. So this is like the family room and all that jazz, you know. Let me show you the laundry room. This is like our dining area. If you ever want to eat here, which you won't because this is my house and screw you. I'm just kidding. But this is the laundry room. It's pretty dope, isn't it? Garage. I will also show you the garage. Let me just open the door. Ooh, spooky. Ooh. If you guys actually follow my car throttle account, which is Skirty Boy or something, I forget, you will recognize this car right here. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm actually currently looking for a charger with this. That way I can make a really fun video with that, and that'll be fun. So let's come on over here some more. Also, do you guys like my new hat? It's probably like backwards because like I'm in selfie mode, but it says Eat Sleep JDM. I don't care, that's pink, it looks cool. Hi, Pepper. Pepper, hey. Hey. Pepper, come. Oh my gosh, I really have to get you. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go, pup. Let's go, come on, let's go. No, get inside. There you go. There you go. Now he's inside. So now for the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Anyways, stove. Currently have some egg salad going. Nice. Fridge. We don't really have anything in here, just regular food, except eggnog is key. So like, you know. This, that, you can go either way with it, I guess. You guys already saw this? I don't think you saw this though. I mean, you did see it, but like I didn't really give you a rundown. Here is a fan. Front room, but I'm not gonna go in there because my brother's sleeping. Now this is my room. It's messy. Don't judge me, okay? It's messy. Dude, messy room. This is my happy spot right here. I'm not good with like this. And look who's here. Let's say hi to him. No, come here. Ah. This is him. Say hi, pupper. Say hi. Go subscribe to his account. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'll put it as a link down below in the description. Like, you know. Look at him. Look at his little pupper. Alright. So yeah. This is my TV as well. It's pretty cool. Just whatever, you know. Hey Dad, is Kellen home?
I probably wouldn't go in there. I don't know. He's not home right now. You see his car outside?
You know.
You don't need to go in other people's rooms. You go in your room, but you don't need to go in other people's rooms.
I shall show them bathroom. Here is bathroom. Here is bathroom. This is bathroom. Hi. This is bathroom. This is nice bathroom. Also, this is bathroom shower. So yeah. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Anywho, this selfie stick stuff is actually kind of working. I like it. Although I do have to like hold it, so like it's kind of difficult sometimes. But yeah, I love how I've just been vlogging for like 6 minutes straight. I'm good at this. I'm gonna shut that. So I'll show you guys like the jacket closet. This is the jacket closet. Enough said. Not poop. Works for me. Now let's come on over here to the game closet. Dun-dun-dun. Yeah, we got kind of run-of-the-mill stuff, you know. We got a red onesie that I won't put on right now because I'm bored. Yeah, all this, and we have a pug. Say hi, Pepper. Oh yeah, so in here is our like towels and stuff, linen closets, more blankets. You know, the rundown. I feel like doing something random, but I don't really know what to do. I guess you know what I'm thinking? Because I got an idea, and I kind of want to try it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that your blanket? Say hi. He wanted to say hi. Anyways, here is laptop, and here is Cookie Monster. I hope you guys know what I'm thinking with this. But yeah, you guys see this Cookie Monster right here? We're gonna put it right up there. Let's do it. Boom. All done. I was a big boy and I got hung up. Let me just try to make this shirt with this. Let me just make sure this is all good. Oh, it says zoom isn't supported in this mode. Dang it. But yeah, there it is. I did it. But I think that's kind of gonna be the end of this video just because I'm kind of bored and I just want to end this video and upload it. So like, you know. Yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video. And yeah. Peace out. Also, shout out to Summer Bear because she's cool. Okay, bye.